This First Choice Realtors property video is presented by Dee Funari. If you are looking for an adorable, cozy one-bedroom log home with an open floor plan has a wonderful loft that can be used for a bedroom or storage, look no further. This 5-year-old log cabin home features all-new electric, windows, central air, roof, max hot water, nestled on 0.3 acres. If you want country living but close to town, this is it. The garage is 48 by 25 workshop area. Every man's dream. Fenced-in yard with brand new patio. A must-see. For more information, review the details below.